Let's face it, our hair gets a little dull and damaged from time to time, forcing us to rush to the nearest salon. But what if we told you that you can show your hair some TLC right at home? We've rounded up 6 hair treatments that will give you healthy, shiny locks you'll want to flaunt everywhere. Hair masks are the most effective way of giving your hair much needed nourishment and adding commercial-worthy shine. Mix 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a little bit of coconut milk and apply it to your scalp and hair before rinsing it after 20 minutes. Rich in sulfur, cocoa powder naturally makes your hair shiny and helps cover grays, while coconut milk adds protein and helps nourish damaged hair. Apply the mask once a week and you'll have soft and smooth hair in no time. Shampoos and salon treatments can sometimes take a toll on your hair, especially if you have very dry hair. Dry hair can also be the result of nutritional deficiencies, sun exposure, excessive hair wash, or use of harsh products. But a hair rinse is just what you need to give your hair a healthy dose of moisture. For this DIY hair rinse, mix 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 tablespoon of apricot oil, 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Spritz the mixture onto your hair and scalp and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it off. Vegetable glycerin combats dry and brittle hair, while vitamin E acts as a moisturizer and adds shine to your hair. Sesame oil is used to promote hair growth and maintain scalp health, while apricot oil nourishes the scalp and prevents breakage. Try this potion once a week and you'll be flaunting beautiful, nourished hair for days. Herbal hair rinses are packed with natural nutrients, minerals and antioxidants that breathe life back into dull and damaged hair. To make this easy detox hair rinse, you will need 7 to 8 shikakai seeds and some glycerin. Soak the shikakai seeds in water overnight before adding 2 tablespoons of glycerin to the water. Known as the fruit for the hair, shikakai has great cleansing properties and is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that boost hair growth. Apply the mixture to your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with your regular shampoo and try this remedy twice a week to see visible results. Want to know the secret to glossy, dandruff-free hair? It's apple cider vinegar. To make the rinse, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a bowl. The juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 drop of lavender essential oil. Apple cider vinegar can help clarify and smooth hair cuticles and restore the pH of your scalp. Other than that, lemon promotes the production of collagen, honey locks and seals in moisture, and lavender essential oil reduces skin inflammation. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair and massage it well. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it with a mild shampoo, and you've got a quick fix to say bye to dandruff for good. Nobody wants to step out flaunting white specks on their shoulders or leaving strands of hair everywhere they go. But why spend a fortune on expensive products when you can just grab some ingredients from your kitchen? To make this simple rinse, boil 2 cups of water and add a few curry leaves to it. Let it cool before spritzing the water on your hair. Curry leaves are high in antioxidants, beta-carotene and proteins, which remove dead hair follicles and moisturize the scalp. Leave the mixture on for 20 minutes before conditioning your hair as you normally would. Do this twice a week to get gorgeous, shiny tresses. One of nature's perfect foods, avocados are rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin A and E. To make this hydrating mask, mix 1 ripe mashed avocado with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. For oily scalp, apply the mixture 1 inch from the roots, and for dry and flaky scalp, apply the mixture to the roots as well. The olive oil in the mask will help add moisture to your hair, while the honey will add luster and make the hair stronger. Keep the mask on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off, and you'll be rewarded with healthy, shiny and manageable hair. By following these simple hair care treatments, you're not only giving your hair natural nourishment and protein, but also giving your pocket a breather. With any one of these natural DIY treatments, you can pamper your hair at home and it will be ready to take on a whole new life. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.